In this video, I've partnered up with Macaron to share with you some of their new shades, as well as show you how to do this easy ombre nail design that I think is perfect for back to school. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video for details on a giveaway. So let's get started. If you're not familiar with Macaron, what makes them so cool is that they have a all-in-one gel nails kit system that not only works amazingly, but it's adorable. So in these individual color kits, you get the tiny little Macaron LED lamp, you get the color which coordinates with the packaging, and what's also great about this is that it comes with a USB cord. So it's great to take with you on the go, which I actually plug into an external battery, but you can totally plug it into a wall adapter as well. In the kits, you also get a little baggie with gel remover pads, file, and a cuticle pusher, and of course instructions. So when you get your Macaron kit, the first thing you want to do is take off the little twisty tie and plug in the USB cord to the back of the Macaron LED lamp. And like I mentioned, this is a USB cord, so you can either plug it into a wall adapter like you have for your iPhones, or you can plug it into an external battery pack like I'm doing here. Or you can even plug it into your laptop so you can sneakily do your nails at work. So now I'm going to share with you some of the gorgeous shades from Macaron, and you can buy the gels by themselves, or you can purchase them entirely in one of these all-in-one gel polish kits. As per the instructions, the first thing you want to do is start with clean, groomed nails. Use the little rubber cuticle pusher that they provide to just push that skin around the nail back so you have more surface area to work with. And they also suggest buffing the top of your nails to make sure that gel really adheres. The kit I'll be sharing with you today is in the color Fairy Floss, and it comes with a coordinating gel polish. But what's really unique about this is that it's an all-in-one gel polish, and it's actually really good. I always wear these, and I can get a gel manicure that lasts over a week into 2 weeks. I'm impatient, so I change my nails a lot, but these actually stay on your nails and they don't just peel off. Especially if you take the preparation steps like to file and buff your nails and make sure the surface area is clean. So an all-in-one gel just means it has the base coat, the color coat, and the top coat all in one bottle of gel. So here I'm just doing 2 coats of the Fairy Floss color that's provided in the Fairy Floss kit, and I'm curing in between those layers, and as you can see, once you're done curing, it is hard as a rock and it isn't sticky. So once you're done, you're done. You don't need to fiddle with removing any sticky layers with alcohol or anything like that. So like I said earlier, you can also buy bottles of gel alone without having to purchase a whole kit. I'll be showing you some of my favorites. First, we have Honey Ginger, and this is very similar to Fairy Floss, but a little more pink and a little more on the sheer side, so it gives you that really healthy, clean manicure look. Honey Ginger is great because you can wear one layer of it for just a natural look, or you can build it up and get a more opaque look. Here I've done 3 coats of Honey Ginger, and as you can see, it cures and it has such an amazing glossy shine with no top coat needed. Next is Rose Buttercream, and this is a really pretty warm neutral shade that I feel like is very flattering on a lot of skin tones. All of the Macaron gel polishes have a very easy to work with formula. This one in particular is really nice and creamy, and it only needs 2 coats for perfect full opacity. And if you were to get only one gel polish from Macaron, I highly recommend Cherry Red. This is the most vibrant, bright, perfect toned red I've ever used, and I love how easy it is to apply, how it builds up nicely, and how shiny it cures. Here is 2 coats of Cherry Red, and it is so bright and vibrant, it almost looks neon. And I just can't get over how shiny this is. So in case you're not traveling and you need a little bit bigger of an LED lamp, Macaron also has a La Maxi kit, which comes with a bigger LED lamp, but still in that super cute macaroon shape. Next, I want to share with you this probably self-explanatory nail design, But seeing these colors together, I realized how pretty they look, and it makes a really nice gradient. I actually ended up adding one extra color that I have from Le Mini Macaron to complete the look, but I feel like this kind of design would work with a ton of different shades, and it's really easy, but still very eye-catching and pretty. So I started with Fairy Floss first on my pinky, and then I followed up with Honey Ginger on my ring nail, and then I did Rose Buttercream on my middle fingernail. And I am doing 2 coats for all of these, except for the ring fingernail. I did do 3 coats just to make sure that color was very opaque so you could really see its true tone. And on my index fingernail, I applied 2 coats of cherry red. And to complete the gradient, I'll be bringing in a last color, and this is called Blackberry, also from Le Mini Macaron, but I actually got this in a trio set. And there is the completed manicure. I seriously love how simple this is, but like I said, very eye-catching. I'll put everything I used in the description box below, and I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram. So make sure you go over there, check out the latest post for info on how you can win some of these LMM products. And Le Mini Macaron actually gave me a coupon code to give you guys. It's 10% off your first order, and I'll also have that listed in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.